above test. Alright, so let's make this big. So yeah, haven't built the lights yet. That's the one thing. This is supposed to be the loading screen. We'll log in here, and then after your credentials are confirmed, you'll be transferred to this screen, and here there will be character selection screen with your 3 out of 5 or more selected characters. And this one would be the basic player versus player map. Just finished it. I've used in this login waiting screen lobby thing. I've used the Infinity Blade assets recently launched in the marketplace, and this one's the map. Of course the bases are missing, and I've added some blue tint. I probably need to make some new mountain backgrounds so I don't have the same thing all over the game. So yep, as you can see, I haven't built the lights either. This is the free vegetation pack, some custom trees from Speed Tree. This is the place for 2 camps, like the other place right here. It's supposed to be a canyon-like thing, with the place bubble. These are the mines. Obviously nothing has been added yet, just the basic level, and probably either some landscape backgrounds, the one in the marketplace, probably I'm going to buy it, or some large trees outside of this level covering the whole thing with leaves. And here you can see the post-process difference, so less light intensity and the blue tint. So yeah, thanks for watching, and tell me what you think.